Good morning, custodians. So in the first video I have gone through all the planes and points, their laws, their basic facts. Now let us start with line segment. A line segment is a part of a line. Okay, like here if you can see two distinct points A and B, there is exactly one line, say L, and passing through 2 points A and B. So the portion of the line L between the points A and B, including points A and B, is called the line segment. Line segment has a definite length. Okay, how you write? Symbol wise, line AB or BA. Okay, they are called the end points. So a line segment have two end points. They have a definite length. उनकी length क्या होती है? Definite length होती है. Okay, clear? And if two or more line segments are called equal if and only if they have same length. Okay, so these are small things you have to keep in mind, which are the basic parts. For example, if you see here, it has a line segment A, B, and if M is at the midpoint, then this M is called the midpoint of line AB, where AM is equal to MB or AM is equal to BM. Okay, two lines are called parallel or intersecting if and only if the lines containing them are parallel or intersecting respectively, which we have done in the previous gone through in the previous video. Let's talk about rays. For the best example for the rays, you can take this rays of light, or you can take a torch which has one fixed point and the other point is extending indefinitely in one direction. Okay, so the point that is fixed is known as the initial point. Okay, and for example here O is the initial or the starting point of the ray. Okay, and the symbol which you can use is when you write OA and at the top you write arrow facing towards the A, which shows that it's a ray OA. Okay, so these are the few things which you have to keep in mind. Like here the symbol it is given, AB means from A it's extending. Okay, or ray BA means from B it's starting, so initial point becomes B. When we write AB, the initial point becomes A. So these small things you have to keep in mind. Okay, so three basic difference. One is line does not have a definite length, extending both sides indefinitely. Okay, do not have a proper fixed end point, it does not have any end points, whereas line segment they have end points, their length is definite. Okay, whereas in ray they have one end point and the other point is extending indefinitely. Okay, so these few points you have to keep in mind. Alright, so what are opposite rays? Suppose I have two rays here, OA and OB, with same initial point A. So OA is going this side and OB is going this side. Okay, extending indefinitely in opposite direction. Such kind of rays are called opposite rays. Two rays are called parallel or intersecting rays if and only if the lines containing them are parallel or intersecting. Okay, so here you have a small differentiation between all the three: line, segment and ray. So line has no end point, segment has two end point, ray has one starting point, one end point, or you can say starting point. A line cannot be drawn wholly on a paper as it is extending indefinitely. A line segment can be drawn. A line cannot be drawn, whereas line segment can be drawn. A ray also cannot be drawn wholly on a paper. A line has no definite length. A line segment has a definite length. A ray has no definite length. The symbol of line we show like this, whereas in line segment like this, whereas in ray we represent like this. Line AB or BA represent the same line, does not change. We say line AB or BA, it is same. AB and BA are the same in line segments, but in rays the line ray AB and ray BA represents two different rays. In one, A is the starting point, whereas in the other B is the starting point. So go through these, try and understand the basic points, and if you have any doubt we will clear it in the online classes including the examples. God bless.